Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial. Before I start, I would like to share some important tips. Make sure to check the quality settings on a YouTube player and set it to 720 or higher. Also, expand the player to full screen. This will ensure a clear view of the code and actions demonstrated in the video. Today I will show you how to deploy the Stimulsoft Viewer in a Python application using the Flask framework. Open your IDE with a project folder. First, install the Stimulsoft package. If you only need reports, you can use the Stimulsoft Reports package, but for this tutorial we will use the Stimulsoft Dashboard package. Open the terminal and run the installation command. Next, add a Python file to the project, for example Viewer.py. Add a static folder and inside it create a reports folder. Copy report templates to the reports folder using the terminal. The preparation is now complete. First, import the necessary modules from the Flask framework and the Stimulsoft package. Set up an endpoint for application routing. Add a viewer function that creates a viewer object, configures viewer settings, and assigns a report object to the viewer. Define the port and mode for the local server. Open the terminal and run the project using the Python interpreter. In a browser, navigate to the local URL. Now you see the Stimulsoft Viewer added to the web page. The viewer now contains a report. Replace the report file with a dashboard. Reload the web page. The viewer now displays a dashboard. If you found this video valuable, feel free to share it with your colleagues and do not forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on future content. See you next time.